Price Pandas, I'm Lily Rose.
And I'm Sally Starr. I can't believe this is our last episode.
I know, right? I'm gonna miss this school.
Well, let's get started. First up, we have Jack, Jordan, and Bobby to tell us about our esports team.
Hey there, I'm Jack Jordan.
And I'm Bobby.
Did you know that we had an esports competition recently?
Esports is a video game competition where 6 different schools competed against each other. Each school has 2 teams of 4 students, with a total of 12 teams and 48 students.
The competition was on May 18th from 2:30 p.m. to 5 p.m. And the competition was at Betsy Ross.
The game was Rocket League, which is soccer but with cars. The competitors had fun with practicing and being on the team representing Price. Back to you.
Thanks, guys. Normally you hear about sports outside the classroom. Now we have them inside. So cool.
Now we have Jackie J and Julia Joy to tell us about some sports back outside the classroom.
Hey Price Pandas, I'm Julie Joy.
And I'm Jackie J. Kids from the OC was on Saturday, May 11th from to 11:30 a.m. at the OC Fairgrounds.
It is a program to encourage kids to eat healthy and exercise.
It lasted 8 weeks, and kids from Price played games and earned miles.
At the end, the students ran at the OC Fairground where they ran 1 mile.
Back to you.
That sounded like an incredibly fun day.
Now we have Jacqueline Jolie and Mia Marvelous to recap our 2019 open house.
Hey Price Pandas, I'm Jocelyn Jolie.
And I'm Amie Marvelous. Recently, we had our school open house on Wednesday, May 15th.
Teachers opened up their classrooms to parents and students to let their students' work shine.
All year, everyone has been working on these amazing projects. The next day, students from all grades walked around to each classroom to see other students' works.
Everyone had a spectacular time looking at all the astounding work that was done.
Back to you.
Open house was so much fun. The projects were amazing.
Next up, we have Jenny Jones and Lance Stewart to tell us about our upcoming 6th grade activities.
Hello Price Pandas, I'm Jenny Jones. And I'm Lance Stewart. Many of our 6th graders have been working hard to have a successful 6th grade year. And now that the year is almost over, they are going to be awarded with many exciting activities. Some of the activities include a pizza party and game time at the Salvation Army, a kickball game against the teachers, and yearbook signing party. When scholars have a great behavior, work hard, and are respectful and responsible, they get to enjoy extra perks that make school a little bit more fun. Back to you.
I can't wait for the last week of school.
Now we have Paul and Brittany to interview some 6th graders about their favorite memories here at Price.
Hey Price Pandas, I'm Brittany Burnett.
And I'm Paul Park. This year has been filled with so many memories, and now it's almost summer.
I'm sure we have some amazing memories from our years here at this school, so let's bring in some 6th graders to talk about some of their favorite memories from here at Price. Here's Alexa from Miss Ruiz's class. So Alexa, what is one of your favorite memories from all your time here at Price?
One of my favorite memories from all the time I've had at Price was getting to get closer to some of my friends that I've known this whole time.
Here we have Rojan from Miss Cunningham's class. So Rojan, what was your most memorable moment?
My most memorable moment here at Price was when I walked into my first class here, which my teacher was Mrs. Frankie, and she was a very great teacher.
Next we have Isabel from Miss Reyes' class. So Isabel, what is one of your favorite events from here at Price?
My favorite event is probably going to camp.
That sounds like fun.
Here we have Josiah from Dr. Forsythe's class. So Josiah, what was your favorite field trip you've been on?
My favorite field trip was the Disneyland. When we got to go to Disneyland and we got to go on rides and shop at Disneyland. My favorite ride from Disneyland was the Incredicoaster because it was like one of the fastest roller coasters at Disneyland.
Whoa, that sounds great.
And last but not least, we have Mariana from Miss Austin's class. So Mariana, what was one of your funniest moments from here at the school?
One of my favorite moments while my time being here was in 2nd grade when we were having a party and someone accidentally got a cupcake smushed into their face.
That's hilarious.
They sounded like they sure had some fun over the years.
Remember everyone, our school is still selling yearbooks, and there are a few left. Wait, I'm sorry. I'm just getting a word that the yearbooks have all been sold out.
Wow, I'm glad I pre-ordered mine.
Me too. Well, everyone, remember the school year is not over, so please continue to be respectful, responsible, and safe.
And as Ellen DeGeneres always says, be kind to one another.
Bye.